Can you read what it says? Probably not, because I'm too close. I'll probably go there. See more of it. So, Walker's Max, Flaming Hot or Not. I'll see more. There. So, as a time with Squid Game Season 3 from Walker's, we have Flaming Hot or Not. And what it says on the packet is... So, warning, 1 in 4 chips are flaming hot. So that's going to be fun. But these are sticky barbecue flavour. I kind of like the idea of it being sticky barbecue. And, yeah. So they're crisp. And I like the way the fact that the packet is reasonably big, but like, really seriously is like half full. Anyway, let's gloss over that for a minute. Shall we pop this open? We shall. There we go. We've let out the special gases. So give them a quick smell. Ooh. Do you want to see? There you are. You see? Some of them look more dusted. Maybe. Who knows? Yeah. So, crisps. If you haven't seen crisps before, here they are. These are 2 of the aforementioned crisps in there. They are crinkly. So that's good. So give these a try. We're ready. 1 in 4. So, yeah, who knows? We're nervous? No, we're not nervous. That one. Yeah, just sticky barbecue. Nice barbecue flavour. I think it has a bit of a hotness because obviously in the packet, if you try and do 1 in 4, that wasn't the hotness, that was me trying to breathe a crisp. Note to self, don't try and breathe crisps. It's a bad idea. It's nice. I'm not so sure about the flaming hot ones, but I've hit 2 being just sticky barbecue and no hot yet. But I'm sure it's going to be quite pleasing enough. But it definitely has a bit of a tingle because there's no way of separating all this. But anyway, give these a try. I would probably go with the sticky barbecue because barbecue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do the things. You know the things. Cool. Laters. Bye.